Come with me to transform my son's room. My son is away spending time with family, and I was checking out his room, and it is a total, complete disaster. You definitely have to work on cleanliness, but something that is not in his control is how tiny this room is and the furniture that he has in here. So while he's gone, I am going to completely clean it up, rearrange some things, get some new furniture, and I'm like so excited for him to see. Closet, which can't even be used, and yes, I do have some of my dresses in here, but you can't even access anything in there or even open these drawers, so I have to completely gut that out. Hi, Frank. Obviously, we had to keep the prime bottles that my son is collecting, but holy cow. Look at the difference in this room. I think Frankie already loves it too. He has a closet. Cleared that entire thing out, and now he can hang his jackets.